Okay, now we got the grand finale. Can y'all hear me? Wow, grand finale. Boy, I wish we were closer. That's part of the grand finale. Boy, that's pretty.
Yeah.
Wish y'all could see this in person. I know this camera ain't worth a crap, but oh well. And I don't like them GoPros that show that arc, you know, crooked like a politician.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. No. But I hope that ain't the finish of it. Well, I got another minute and a half left. We're gonna see. That might be. There sure wasn't no announcement on the speaker. Yeah, I think that was a grand finale. And there was a couple of late ones. There was a couple of late ones.
Well, sometimes if you wait, they might have a couple more to see.
Yeah.
Anyway,
just
what I was talking about.
Conoco. Fill your truck up. 3/4 ton truck.
I filled up my boat tanks. I had like 20.
You was going to Todd Ortego's new shop.
I had about 2 20-gallon tanks on that truck. Filled them both up. I parked in front of that place next door to Todd's shop. I went inside with my stuff and I had been coughing like hell, so I stopped and bought me a half pint of vodka.
Well, I think that's about over with. All right,
And
YouTubers, Pluto.